Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen again. And friends, I'm sure by now you have seen what I'm going to cook after seeing all those like 3 beautiful color peppers that I have, and also other peppers. This is like spicy pepper, garlic, onion. I'm not going to be using all this garlic. I'll be using I will cut it and chop this garlic, but I'll be using for other preparation also. And for meat, so I'll be making this mixed vegetable saute along with meat, and today I'm going to do beef saute, this one. But you can substitute any other meat if you prefer. You can use chicken, pork, whichever you prefer. Okay friends, so, and of course this is the main ingredients. There are other ingredients that I'll be adding as when I'm starting to cook. I will share it with you guys. And friends, let's start cooking. And first let me cut the vegetables. I'm not going to be using all the peppers because this is going to be too much. I'll be just using half of each one. And save them for later use for some other things. And friends, I am going to share with you guys a recipe where I actually make stuffed bell pepper, which is absolutely a delicious recipe. Very super easy. And that also you can make with any meat of your choice. So this is what I do. I like to remove the seeds as much as I can. Since this is going to be a saute, I am going to slice it this way. Okay, slice all the peppers. Onion, spicy chili, the spicy chili actually has a ton that I grew in my garden. I'm trying to dry it, but it's not completely dried yet. For this recipe, I'm just going to use few on. Next is the meat, which I'm going to thin slice it. Okay, this is ready. Pan is ready, and I'm going to be using olive oil for the cooking today. I don't know if you guys can see olive oil. First thing, what I'm going to saute onions. Pepper, salt, Next, I'm gonna add the meat. And once the meat starts to brown up, I'll add the other ingredients. See how the meat has turned into brown color. Now I'm going to add the other vegetables. First, the chili, the spicy one. Okay. Second, then garlic, not second, garlic. And let's saute this for a little bit. Saute for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the peppers. Okay, time to taste salt. I think this is enough. We'll just saute this for a few more minutes and this should be done. And that's all, friends. See, it's very easy. And I'm sure people who have been watching my videos knows that whatever I cook, it's like super easy recipe. I don't like to complicate, make complicated food, or I don't like to complicate food in general. Easy, quick, healthy. And this is done, friends. Turn off the heat. Look at the color. And usually I would like to keep it covered for like 2 to 3 minutes after I've complete sauteing and turning off the heat. So because of the heat from the cast iron, this will actually cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, thank you, and I'll do the tasting later, friends. This is tasting time, friends. Ooh, look at the pepper. See, it's not overcooked. It's still crunchy. Let me try the pepper first. Oh, it's super delicious. Meat. Meat and pepper. It's hot. And thank you for watching, friends. I'm going to enjoy my beef and pepper saute. And I hope you try this recipe also. Thank you, take care, and lots of love and happiness. Bye.